Hey, we can take it from here. Oh! Cold-blooded killer.
She's brutal.
Oh.
I don't think you boys can handle this.
Oh, we can handle it. And she's gonna pay for this. From the beginning.
From the beginning, you were there. He was stalking me.
Ma'am, just the facts.
It was self-defense. I was auditioning for this TV show, and they asked...
What would you do for $1 million?
For $1 million, I'd fuck a puppet. Oh. I thought that was the end of it, but then... Hello?
I got your $1 million right here. Come and get it.
That's when I called you guys.
You know, maybe you're just tired. Sleepy? I'm sure your imagination's just getting the best of you. I'll go look around, okay?
Thank you.
So, you were saying he's blue.
Blue. Well, like a cobalt blue.
Like this?
He had a nose.
Was he fuzzy?
No, he was more straight hair, with a crazed look in his eye.
Like this? Like this?
No, it had a nose.
It's all clear.
Did he have penetrating eyeballs?
Yes.
Was he wearing a hat? How about pants?
No.
No pants. Did he have a coat on?
No.
How about a hat?
No.
Like this?
That's him.
You even had me identify him in a lineup.
That's him.
I was hoping that'd be the end of it, but it wasn't. He was in my drawers, my laundry basket.
Ma'am,
he was on the floor.
You don't have to go into details. I saw what you did.
Hope you have a good lawyer.
So what are we gonna get her for today? The Lindbergh kidnapping? The Manson murders? Just tell me what you wanted to confess to.
Let's just say that at this precinct, we have a way of making people talk.
But I heard you signed the confession.
Oh yeah, you're dead. Okay.
Let's get some coffee.